It's the second session of the day. We're hunting for giant pike. My dad got his walleye to take home. Let's see if I can catch us a 40-incher before we leave. Let's get him.
God, reeling this thing in compared to that other thing.
It's two different worlds there.
It's like fucking picnic. It's like there's nothing on there. Oh!
There you go. Dude, I saw it all happen. And there you go. You were saying I could get one of these, right?
He's not big enough to keep though. He's not quite big enough.
He's not the fat that you're looking for, but that would eat.
Here, I'll just leave him in the net. Thank you, sir.
Oh, sorry.
I'd like to have another.
Thank you. May I have another? He was hanging out by the rock, huh?
Perch. Perch.
The perch is the one.
He followed it from the rock.
Yep.
It's gorgeous. What a shit, dude.
It's amazing.
Beautiful.
Not a cloud in the sky, dude. Dark gloom and doom. Not a cloud in the sky. So goofy. That's Canada for you. There you go.
Oh, dude. Duder.
How big is it?
McCloskey. Might be my 27 I was waiting for.
Yeah. Oh yeah. It's definitely close.
It's the 27 I was waiting for. It's the 20. I'll take him home.
There you go. There you go.
There's a chunk of meat on him, don't you think?
Oh yeah.
Maybe.
Definitely.
Maybe. Did he eat it? No, he didn't eat it.
He's good.
Look at that, right now.
In the little lip plate. There you go. Oh.
Sorry, dude.
It's all right.
27.
Move over a little. This way. Right there.
27.
Perfect, dude. There's a fucking eater.
That's hilarious. Oh, wait. Oh,
you're gonna rip your thumb open. These things are freaking sharp. There you go. All right. An eater.
I can take a couple of pikes home. Shit.
Yeah, buddy.
Give me 3 more. It takes 4, right?
Yeah.
Oh. Another one.
Pike are biting.
This feels like a walleye, dude.
It might be. You're using. Might be a.
Feels like a walleye.
Might be a big smallie, dude. Might be a big smallie, dude.
Head shake.
Smallie. We're in Smallie land.
Dude, I thought it's bigger than I thought.
Big smallie.
Oh.
Huge smallie.
Oh.
Told you. Told you we're in Smalley land.
Look at that fucker. Dude, this is awesome.
It's a pig.
It's awesome.
Boom. Look at that. Let me get a picture with
That is awesome.
It's a hog. He's in the roof of his mouth.
Yeah. I'm a pro.
It's a beast. Look at that, dude. Oh yeah. Yeah, good picture. So look, something was trying to eat him too.
Yeah.
Probably that big pike.
Dude.
Oh yeah.
He didn't jump out of the water,
Go ahead.
you know?
He did it once you got him close. Hell yeah.
That was awesome.
Fuck yeah, dude.
That's awesome.
All right, well the Smalley spot still has Smallies, so that's nice. Oh. He's laughing at you. Oh, that was violent. Was that a big one?
I don't know, might be.
He's got to be bigger than the last one.
That was his head, it was.
Follow, come on. Was I just intruding in your house? What was that?
Give him another shot at it.
You throw at him. See if you can get him.
If you like the blue tambourine.
Another little guy. It's hilarious, dude.
It's hilarious.
It's the same lure the big one bit too, though.
I know.
It's so goofy.
But today, now, you get
Let me get the pliers.
You get big.
Dude, he ate it too, man. You're alright. It's in your mouth. It's just such a big hook that it's intruding on your space here. Alright. Dummy. Throwing a big lure to try and stay away from you guys. There you go. If you catch a bigger one than me, I'm gonna be
That's a little
really surprised.
he is.
Oh yeah, he's another little guy. It's a boat flip. But hey, we have
Dude, it's like,
pretty consistent action
yeah,
here.
that's pretty amazing. Pretty friggin' amazing.
We're waiting all week for that.
They're still here. I hear you wanted it, didn't you?
He's saying, what the hell? It's dinner time. What are you doing? Why aren't you giving me that?
Just friggin' unkind. This is crazy. 2 hours before we have to go home.
I know.
When we're done. And it's just fucking pike after pike.
It's alright. It's a good way to end the trip.
Yeah, I mean,
We can't complain.
40 of 'em already.
I know. We caught more pike today than we did the whole week.
I know.
And it rained for half the day.
Oh!
Did you get bit? Oh, he's still going.
Might be a big one, dude.
Just keep reeling, dude. You might have a giant following.
Yeah,
He'll eventually grab it.
that might have been. Because that's how they do.
Yep. Oh, I don't see him. Ooh, something just tapped it. Oh,
There's a swirl there. Yeah,
he's little.
I like the swirls. Swirls are nice. 15 inches, man. One after another.
What the hell?
That is just
So
fucking
goofy,
hilarious,
dude.
I know. What the
I like this lure, man.
fuck the hell? That is just stupid.
Chill, bro. Oh. What are you doing?
Why is it making them mad?
What are you doing, dude? Well, we went pike fishing, and both of his paddle tails lost their tails. In a matter of an hour, we just got bombarded by little 20 plus pike, and they ruined his lures. But it was fun. I think it was worth it.
It was fun.
Just totally worth it. See if I can catch a couple wallies to take home real quick. And the boat is backwards because there's no...
Well, that's because I don't think... Look at those pretty little birds over there.
I know, I saw them.
Look at them. They're pretty. They're like mergansers, I think.
Just chilling. They're just chilling.
They're like, let's sit on a log so a big old friggin' muskie don't eat us.
Yeah. We're a big 50-inch northern. It might be... No, it's not even big enough.
Just hold it.
Not even big enough to be an eater.
Just hold it. Just holding that
I am.
for a second.
Just watching my rod.
Oh no, I am slimed.
Minnow stealer. Stealing our minnows.
The rope is finally righting us. Getting us right. Friggin' pike.
The pike
turned on.
are just on, dude.
Huh?
The pike turned on today.
I know. It's insane.
As soon as it hits the water, I got one. That's not a pike either.
Walleye?
Feels like a nice walleye. Is it? It is. I might not be too picky. A fish is a fish. He's too small. He's too small. He's too small.
Yeah, he's just a little too small. And you needed an extra one?
I didn't want to lose my jig because I only have one. Wanted to break me off and run away. What did you do here? Where are my pliers?
We need a couple eaters for Nick.
He hit it right away, dude. As soon as I threw it in, and as soon as he got to the bottom, he was on. How about your bigger brother? You have a big brother that wants to eat? There we go.
Oh, that's a good one.
Is it?
Yeah, that's a good one. Ooh, that might be a pike.
Oh, you horsed him.
I didn't.
Oh,
Dude, that was swimming like a pike, though.
was it?
Yeah. You see him take off?
Yeah.
That was swimming like a pike.
Or an 18.
That poor fucking thing is dead as it could be.
Oh, now I got him. That's a good fish, dude. That's gonna eat. That's gonna eat.
Is it the same one?
Might be. Feels good.
It's not a pike.
No.
Well, I hope it's not the same one I just had, and then we'll get him. Whatever it is, keep it. Gotta be fucking.
No,
20.
that's a big fish, dude.
Gotta be 25.
I think I got it.
Huh?
I think I got it. He's battling, bro.
Huh?
He's battling. Oh yeah, dude. Eater. Wait. That's 18 all day, baby.
Yeah.
Hell yes. Hell yes.
Probably the one that's been robbing my ass down there. He looks like 18.
All day.
What?
That'd be nice if he is. I feel like he's big.
He looks 19 now. He's 21.
Almost 22. Come on, man. It is what it is. Damn it. He's too big. And he cut me. Oh, I got something to remember him by. That has to be the one that was pillaging you. Oh, he's got one.
This feels like an eater. Maybe. No.
Oh,
Well,
where's,
we're catching them.
where's the fish that's in between?
That was fun catching them, though, wasn't it?
Hell yeah.
21?
It's the highlight of my day today.
Dude. The last one. No.
I got 2 dead ones in the boat. I caught that on a dead
Here,
minnow.
there's a dead one right there.
Yeah, I caught that 22 on a dead minnow.
I got one on the end of that. On the end of my line life, I don't know.
I got a big fat one right here. This one will catch me in 18.
Fucking die-hard fishing, and right to our last minnow.
Yeah, we're using dead ones that are on the boat floor. But hey, that was a good way to... If my trip ends with me catching a 22-inch walleye,
Yeah.
I'm happy. I'm re-rigged. Let's see if there's a bigger one for me to take home to eat.
Can you give us just the right amount of love?
Oh, it did, and I just lost them. And now you got one. Literally right as it happened. We both got them.
Oh, I got robbed. No,
I got robbed, dude.
I didn't get robbed.
I did. I felt them biting as soon as the boat rocked.
think I still see a... Yes, I think Stevie's boat is gone.
Yeah, Stevie's boat.
Well, if he took the
Nope.
boat out, I hope he had enough sense to put some baked potatoes. He wants
I
baked
got
potatoes.
one.
He should put them in the oven.
Alright, I'm not letting him lose my minnow. See? Flip them fast, and the minnow lands in the boat.
Nice maneuver. Nice maneuver. Maneuver.
I still got my minnow.
We're getting down to it. It's got the same amount of gas in it
Is when you left,
as
when we got here.
We used one time.
I caught like 3. And a 22.
We fished all day today. No, we didn't.
We were in the rain.
4-hour rain delay.
It feels like we caught as many fish
Feels like we fished all day.
as a day fishing all day, though.
Huh?
We caught as many fish today in a half day than we did each day working our asses off.
Absolutely, we did. It was the best day of fishing.
Ooh.
I had another good day. I had 2 good days of fishing.
It's just crazy that there'll be little 12-inchers and then you catch a 22. It's like, what the?
Well, just like this morning, catching 12 inches and then I caught a 25.
That's crazy, dude.
Yeah.
It's the personality of this spot.
It is. You can catch marmadukes. I caught my pike here too, didn't I? 2 25 pikes. There are 2 27 pikes.
I got one. That one feels better. That one feels like it might be an eater. Come on, be an eater. Don't be a squeaker. It's...
That's a eater.
That's my minnow. I'm keeping this.
Slapped him in the face.
I mean, at this point...
What is he, 13?
13 and a half. It's better than nothing.
Yeah. We're down to our last minute. We're gonna catch
Yeah. Oh, did I step on it?
No.
I heard a crunch.
Oh.
It's alright.
You mashed him?
It's alright. He'll chum the waters for me.
Alright, this guy's not doing anything over here, so he's coming in the boat. And he's coming in the boat empty. That's why he wasn't catching anything.
Well, that explains that.
He's sitting out there empty. That makes sense. Here's a minnow.
All right. Is he wet?
Yeah, he looks pretty good.
Sweet.
He looks pretty healthy. I think there was a couple of them down there in the friggin'...
Here's one, an old dried up one, but hey, it's still one.
Yeah.
Has some guts hanging out, but that might chum him. Yeah, it is. I'm getting a bite right now. Oh, that's a nicer one, maybe. No. Squeaker. Me. Alright, down to the last little rotten sphincter. Little rotten, beat up little minnow. Ew. Oh, he stinks. Yeah. If they eat that, I'm going to be amazed. If they eat that, I will be amazed. Oh, there's one under your seat.
Oh, yeah.
Give me that one. This one stinks.
This one might too.
This one smells like rotting foot. Oh, is he all dry and ugh. Oh, this one's wet. This one will work. desperation. Searching for dead minnows on the floor of the boat. And they're working.
Oh.
Oh, 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 oh!
Oh!
Dude, right when you lit a smoke.
I know.
God bless it. You had him too, dude. You had the opportunity.
I still got my minnow.
He's laughing at you.
Dude, that went down like...
Yeah.
There he is. This is an eater. This is an eater. Come on, net me.
I was crossing.
It's an eater. He's an eater. That's 18, dude.
Dude, if that's 18, it sure looks close.
Yeah, that's an 18.
It sure looks close, dude.
I hope with the last minnow caught an 18.
Yeah, dude, that'd be awesome.
That'd be the shit.
Dude, he looks close, man. He looks damn close.
I think it can be 18.1.
He looks damn close.
18.1. Can be a little over 18.
Ow. Don't spike me. Ow.
Our last minnow.
Fucking 20, dude.
Well, that was fun.
Well, dude, that was awesome,
The
though.
last fucking one I catch is a 20.
Hey, you know what? It was still fun. It was worth it.
Huh?
Hell yeah, dude.
God damn.
Well, I got one minnow left, so
Oh, you do? All right. Well, you still got a chance.
still got a chance for an 18. All right. Down to our last minnow. He's not alive.
My last minnow, I caught a 20. I thought he was going to be a keeper.
He looked 18. Especially when you're trying to catch an 18, you're trying to make him look smaller.
If you'd have cut his tail off.
Oh! Dude. Oh, that was a nice one. You hear my drag? Well, we're ending it on that. Well, that's the end of our Canada trip 2023. What a way to end it. It was a fun last 2 hours of our last day here. Can't wait to come back next year. Hope you all enjoyed the videos. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my content. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.